What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Joey Max back with another banger. New ink, got a new tattoo. But yeah, so in this video, we on the way to the gym, gonna get a good pump. Let me know if that's some shit y'all wanna see. Bring the camera in, record some sets. Probably won't. Yeah, I will. I'm gonna try. But other than that, we are on the way to the gym. And then we're gonna hit this car meet. See, I haven't been to a meet in years, feels like. So, y'all already know what it is.
Six and a half hours later.
All right, boys, we are currently on the way to the meet. Pretty deep, all of us, I think. I think everyone's out. So we're gonna head there now. Meet Jake's picking up fuel. We're meeting with Matt, and then we're gonna all cruise there. Get some videos of the cars rolling, and yeah.
So what had happened was, T-Fizzle decided, hey, let's bang a gear real quick, and third gear disappeared. So, but what it had was transmission's good though. So we got our master technician over here, and he diagnosed her on. Look around on the side of the motherfucking road. He diagnosed on the side of the road that the shifter cables done came apart.
Yeah, because we're going to, it's a shit spot, Jordan.
Yeah, it's dog shit. What? It's the worst spot. What? Oh shit, she tried to get. Hey, that's Joey Max right there, big brother.
All right, boys, we just fixed the gears on the side of the road. If this thing will focus on me.
Hey, that's Joey Max on the side of the road, big dog. Drop the hood on. Hey.
Car's fixed. Got Tyler's Maxima over there. Got all the boys behind me. But y'all saw I just had to fix Tyler's hunker. Like usual, it's always one. Can never do stuff without some breaking. But yeah, so we're cruising to the meet right now. And there's Jake. Jake just got fuel. Ross, guys, Factory Ross right here. That's his little egg. Max, because Max will be on the road soon. Hey, family. There's Josh and the G. You already know. We got the boys out.
Bro, we didn't have to drive. I didn't have to drive. I could stay home, bro.
150. 30 out Z. T-Fizzle, man.
The red turd, boy. That's where we be at, bro.
Holy fuck, y'all. Hey, bro, if y'all need a barber in the South Florida area, hit out my boy Matt Chops.
All I'm saying is, your barber ain't got real work wheels.
Damn, he's talking about y'all barbers on there. We got Josh in the G. We got Matt in a 8.6.
Hey, your barber drive Jetta.
Oh God.
Hey.
Corollas.
Corolla.
I was gonna say that too, bro. Oh my God, Jordan Paints and Matt Chops. Oh my God.
They're doing it. They need it, dog.
some people here to buy cars. Make the sale. Make the sale. Make the sale. Make the sale.
Maxima gonna look like this one day. I'm gonna get to it. You already know we got Jerry Bull's car. I'm gonna sit here. He's who I got the motor, trans, all my shit from. We're gonna do a similar setup to this. Not this crazy, but turbo placement. Everything really like that. Just clean. So one day it's gonna be in the max. We'll get it done. I just need to stop slacking. Nick's car's fire as fuck too. The purple buckets. We're gonna get her done. Seeing this shit motivates me every time. This car came out fire. I know, right?
Never seen a Maxima like this before.
Alright, let's go upstairs.
You already know. I hate coming here and seeing this. I hate seeing K-Series, especially with turbos. The Maxima needs to get done. I've been slacking, then I see all of their cars, and that shit just makes me want to finish mine. So we'll get to it. I'm gonna go pick this back up. We'll show a few more cars. Look at that boy Jack. Jackography.
Hey, what's good? Hey, you
fucking dog. Yeah.
vlogging over
Making
here?
a
What's
video.
good? What's good?
Yo, bro, check the shirt, bro.
Oh, shit,
Show the back, show the back, show the back, show the back.
Let me see the back. Yeah!
JoeyMax.com. Top in.
Tap in with your boy.
He took pictures of mine and Jordan's Maxima when they were running. OG days. He's moving to Jersey. So last meet with him here, so we came to pop out. But now we're about to show a couple more shit boxes. Get through this video. We got something worth looking at, something worth putting on camera. We got a little Whipple GT350.
That's perfect, bro.
I gotta tighten up, bro.
You need some cars. Hey, come on. Come get in with me, man. Come get in with me.
Shit's clean. Should have did it to the Mustang, but I sold it, so. Yo, it's Cliff! You already know, my welder.
Holy shit,
This is a welder right here. We're gonna get the 240 done, and you guys are gonna see those videos. He's a little camera shy, guys. But
Do it again!
Journey. It is your fantasy, just as long as you... Wow!
Galaxy gaskets are done? You think his Galaxy gaskets are done?
Carbon edition Mazda. Yo, hey, they got the carbon edition Mazda. All right, guys, this is something worth recording. Zach loves this shit. This is clean. This is worth recording. And this is worth recording. So. Hey, Jordan, do it. And this is worth recording. And yeah, that too. My son. Hey, I got a question though. Comment down below. Do you think Toyota Tacomas are trucks?
Yeah, bro, that's like a microwave on wheels.
You gotta bet it's a truck, bro.
No, it's not, bro. The only thing you can put in there is a mini fridge. I think this is.
No one picked the T's.
Oh, that's all of them. All right, boys. We're gonna take a little quick detour. We're at the gas station. Ross ran out of gas. It's always someone that doesn't have gas. He should have went with Jake went, but he didn't. Now everyone else left us because they don't read or listen. They're not very good at that. But got the little Golf here. Got a good old police car. All right, boys. You already know, we pulled up to the Chili's. Got a little girl out here. But yeah, this is probably gonna wrap up this video. Oh yeah.
Watch out.
This is probably gonna wrap this video up. So, JoeyMax.com for merch. Like, comment, subscribe.
Like,
You already know what it is?
Yeah, yes sir, yes sir. Like, comment, subscribe.